I goaded to my future and career in Hong. I am Gerald Tirentino, 40 years old from Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I am college in Western Mindanao State University in Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. I am married and have 2 children. I work in Hong Qatar as worker for 3 years and 8 months. I serve 5 persons. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the baby, ironing, washing, cooking, and any household chores. I have little experience in cooking Chinese food just like garlic chili shrimp, sausage chili crab, and dumpling. And I'm willing to learn more recipe in cooking Chinese food. So to my future employer, please choose me as your worker. I promise you to take care of your family as I take care of my family too. I am honest, respectful, and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.